Hello, little guy. Pretty boy. Hi everybody, welcome to Life at Sunny Lee with Kathy Jarvis, and it is 2023 and we're going to start this year out with a bang. I think we started out with on Saturday with our oldest son coming down and visiting. He brought his little cat with him, so we had a house guest. And we had just bought new crates. We've been borrowing a crate from a friend of ours, and we thought it was kind of time for us to get some more crates of our own, just because all the crates were filled. I do capture and release the feral cats that are around here, and they have to be kept in crates so many days after they're operated on before I can release them again. So I needed more crates. So we had a nice clean crate for her. And any of the cats that show signs of sickness, I bring into the garage and keep them in crates until I get them well enough to go back outside again and be released. And so we had a little cat visitor, and she stayed in the crate the whole time she was here almost, only to be left out to exercise a little bit and for my son to play with her. On Saturday night, we went up to the local bar and grill and rang in the new year up there. Our neighbor was playing. He's very, very good, very, very talented, and we do enjoy listening to him. He also is very helpful. He's helped with the greenhouses and anything we need him to do, he's always there to help, and I really appreciate that. And like I said, we really love listening to his record. He's made one CD. I don't know if he's made another one. And he's also on, you can find his music on Amazon, not Amazon, but YouTube, under Coat Windhorse. So you might want to look that up. If you like the old time country sound, you'll love listening to him. And anyway, we rang in the new year there, and then we came home, spent most of the night talking and visiting. The next morning we slept in late. It was my husband's birthday, so we had a little celebration with cake and that I baked for him. And our son stayed until Monday, which was nice. He left late Monday evening. So we had a nice weekend, ringing in the new year, talking with him and spending time with him, which is always nice. Tuesday we did a little shopping. Wednesday we went to the gym. Thursday my husband went to town and I had the house to myself, so it's time to get busy and catch up on laundry. I do not do laundry on the first day of the new year, and I try not to do it on the last day of the new year. So I'm a little bit behind on getting the laundry done. Plus I haven't put the Christmas decorations up again yet. I keep them out until January the 6th, and then I change everything over to Mardi Gras. So didn't do that until Friday, and he has had an eye appointment Friday, so I did not get everything put away that I planned to do. I did start putting some of it away on Thursday, but the tree and snowmen and stuff, things that weren't Christmas, like Santa Clauses and reindeers and things like that, those things stayed out. The Christmas stockings, the reindeers, the Santa Clauses, all those I put away on Thursday. And then I have a bunch of stuff, Christmas stuff, presents that I got that I needed to put away and organize. So I started doing that on Thursday when he was in town. Got most of that done. Worked on rotating the pantry and getting ready to start my annual house straightening up. It means I go through the kitchen and I straighten everything up that has been moved, and things I haven't touched or moved for a whole year. I kind of look at them and I decide whether I really need them. Like, do I really need this iced tea maker that's been sitting in the cabinet for 40 some odd years and it's been used twice? Do I really need that? This is when, these are some of the decisions that I make, and I go through starting with the kitchen and do all the downstairs, and then I start upstairs and do that. And it usually takes me until midsummer to get all this done, because I also try to deep clean the rooms at the same time. Change out batteries, dust around the fans, clean behind the furniture if I'm able to move the furniture. Some things you can't move because they're bolted to the wall. But if you can move it, I clean behind that. So I'm starting that preparation to start that. And I'll be doing that in the near future. But and we got a greenhouse to put up as soon as the weather breaks. And it'll soon be time to start the grow room. Start that going. So I've got a lot of things coming that we'll be doing. Plus I like to share more recipes with you guys. And I'm just all pumped up for the new year. So hopefully you'll join with me. If you like this, share it with your friends on social media. That helps. Give it a like. Hit the like button. That helps to get the videos out. And subscribe to the channel if you would, please. And remember, dream big, follow that dream. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everybody.